Good morning, friends and families. I guess I'll bring you along a little bit on a day in the life or something, or cooking or whatever today. Um, I am in Home Depot. I came here for that touch-up paint I needed for my pressure washing adventures. I'll link that video above. But this is what I see. Now I'm looking at this, and please tell me if anybody used this. If you have, please put it in the comments and tell me, how is this supposed to work? I don't want to take the package out, and I'm going to Google it and look. But this says season-long protections, kills insect, prevents new infestations for fruits and vegetables, right? But it says mix in water and pour it around the base like you're watering the fruit. I'm like, how is that gonna kill it? Unless it's putting something in the food. So somebody please tell me and make it make sense. Because how is it gonna kill the vegetables if it's just in the soil in the base of the plant? How is it gonna kill the insects? And it's supposed to get rid of all of this. So maybe we got some scientists in the group that can explain that and tell me how are they not ingesting it when they're eating the leaves or something. So fill me in. And for that price, it's for the whole season. So I'm going to do a little bit of research too, internet research, and see what I can find about it. But I was just in here taking a look at the fertilizers and stuff, seeing how the shelves look, what's available. Some of this stuff, looks, now this looks interesting. Okay, that looks good, and it's only $5.50. I might pick that up because I have the citrus trees and the fruit trees, so that looks pretty like something, and it's fairly priced. But I'm looking around just to see what's out here. I do use fertilizers, but I am kind of selective at what I use. See, like I saw, it's not bad for blood meal, $6.98. The bone meal's $8.98. But I am trying to keep that on hand just in case, you still need to keep a good supply of it. It's good for a couple of years. Don't fall for the hype that it needs to be thrown away after 1 year. Here's something that I might grab because that's a decent price. Fruit and citrus plant food for my trees. Maybe I'll do better with them next year because, as you know, my nectarines are not gonna make it. Well, did not make it, but maybe they'll hold on to the tree next year. And but my persimmons are holding strong. They just need to hurry up and get right. But and maybe I'll get some avocados next year if I really go ahead and fill the tree. But let me know about this other stuff because I am having some pest issues. And that's why I'm in here too, looking for pest options, but I don't see any. So I may just use the neem oil I have and see if that works out. Sorry about this fan. But see if that works out. But stay tuned for my day in the life. Good morning, my peeps. I'm coming to you with a Home Depot run deal. Now, that's why you should subscribe and ring that bell. I'm going to post this as a short. I have wiped out the Home Depot on Lum Turner. It was only 6, but it's the Home Depot brand germicidal bleach, 99.9% of germs, and they are 40 cents each. So I bought 6 of them for $2.40. Here is the receipt, and here is the UPC. Hope you got a good glimpse on that. So this is a run deal. Your mileage may vary. They had no more at this store. I had the person check the inventory. Good luck. Happy hunting. Hey, my peeps. So this day in the life could not include you. How about that? I went to Walmart, and I do have another video based on that. And, you know, did a starter prepper haul. Just so people can see that this thing's serious. And every time I go into Walmart, it's very, very depressing to see how much the prices have risen. But thank God that I have a harvest. Every day I'm harvesting something. So my intentions was, which was the meaning of my trip to Walmart, was to go in there and get some lettuce and make a salad for you guys. But I'm not doing that today, because once I hit that heat, it was 95 degrees at 11 in the morning, and I couldn't do it. Oh my gosh, I started pouring in sweat, and I had to go recuperate inside. It was hot out there today. So I did do the little haul, and I've stopped by the Sharecrop. And at the Sharecrop, this is a sugar baby. My hands ain't that huge. You see, I don't have anything I can kind of compare it to. But here's the sugar baby. Since it had this spot on it, I went and pulled it. It say once the tendrils by the vine shrivels up, the tendrils were shriveled, so I cut it off. And I, also figured with this spot on it, it was not gonna make it. Seemed like I would have had my knife out knowing I'm doing this video. Let me give it a wash off. And I also spray some of my produce with this spray, which is like a cleaning vinegar. And I find it at the Dollar Tree sometimes. The Roses, not the Dollar Tree, the Roses sometimes. And it's $1 there. And other little stores like that. But I found that at Solomon's. I think I did a haul on that. But I spray that on the food. Let's see what's inside. I can't figure out what, I just dropped stuff. So I got to go back and look at my seed packets. But it's like 2 more little melons like this, a little smaller than this out there. And it's another sugar baby that's bigger than this out there. So I say, since that one has no spots, blemishes, or anything, I'm doing this one as a tester. And if it is ready, because you saw the other one that split open, there was nothing in there. So I want to see what they look like on the inside. I've never grown. This is my first time growing melons now. And if that's all you get, I can eat that in 2 spoonfuls. But let's go ahead. It smells good. You got smell-o-vision. Smell that. It smells pretty good. So I will give it that. And let me get a fork and I'll taste it. Wish it was cold. I like my melon cold. Don't you like your melon cold? Because I love my melon cold. So, and I eat the seeds. I swallow them. They'll end up in sewer land one day. But it ain't enough sugar on this baby, you know? Let's see. It's okay. As you can see, it ain't enough sugar on this baby at all. There's no real flesh, so I'm tasting a lot of the rind. I don't think it was ready. I'm going to get the other one another week. Because I would hate to open that one and find no red, just rind like this one. But I mean, it ain't sweet. It tastes like more like rind than anything. It tastes like watermelon. It has the flavor, but I don't think it was ready. So you got to go on that adventure with me. I need to look at some videos and see if I can gauge how big they're supposed to get. And I go to YouTube University too. And I don't know all of this. I'm learning just like you are. So yeah, I need to see how big they're supposed to get. Because this is bigger than a baseball, but I think they're supposed to get bigger than that. Like I said, the other one is bigger. And this ain't got enough pink flesh. It's more seeds than rinds than anything. And it tastes like water. So a little more about my day. Update on the HOA violation. So I spoke with the neighbor. Apparently he called and found out some more information. And come to find out, that was mine. That other property is my property. And you sure that's a seed and not a bulb? Yeah, that's a seed. The other property, the other strip between the houses, the majority of that mine. It's like less than a foot of it is his. So I'm like, so I'm going to have to do that foot too? What's going on? But I'm not going to be a petty Betty. I'm going to figure it out. But I'm going to write a letter asking for an extension. 60-day extension. But that is not moving around my pockets right now. Now that I done missed the sod cutter. Because he wouldn't answer the door. Because if I'd have been over there. And he's saying it's no sprinklers over there. So I'm like, okay. So had I known that, I'd have just went on and got the sod cutter. You know, had the sod cut and got it all up. You wouldn't answer the door. So he said he wasn't home, but I'll figure it out when I'm just ask for an extension. Now that I'm working on it, I gotta finish working on it. And then I got the tiller. So I said I'm gonna give it a week. If the same guys end up having to rent a sod cutter again, they're going to come by and do the rest for like $40 or $50. If they don't do it, if they don't come across one in another week, because it costs $110 to rent a sod cutting machine. But that tiller, I'll get out there with the tiller and get it up. And take it from there. But I need an extension because it's too damn hot out. It's too hot out there. Excuse me. I did the pressure washing and I didn't realize it was that hot. So what I will say is them hats, they work. I'm going to link one below in the description box because I didn't even realize it was that hot out there while I was pressure washing. And I want to say it was the same temperatures yesterday. But today, I was drenching and I didn't have my hat on. So the hat works. The cooling hat, they are on Amazon, right? Well, they were last week on sale on Amazon for $9.99. If you don't have an Ollie's in your area, that's an excellent price. And I actually wore the one from Amazon this week. And gave the other to my son for band camp. So I'm going to link that below so that you can find that hat because it will save your life. But I still need to get out there first thing, not 10, 11, 12 o'clock when it's already 95, feel like 195 in my head because it was hot. So, I hope you like this video. And yes, they did come fix my sprinklers today. Good, honorable guys. Came fix the sprinkler. Got paid today. So, that was good. And stay tuned for more updates on how this situation works out. I hope you like this video of me just chilling out. I'll be showing you my cucumbers out there in the near future because I got big, long cucumbers. The ones I bought from Baker Creek, and they long. So I got to go out there and get them in the next 24 to 48 hours. But I hope you like this video. If you do, subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell because I posted a run deal today. I'll throw it in the middle of this video. But I posted a run deal today, so you might want to ring that bell and subscribe to this channel because you never know when I'm going to throw some stuff out there that you can run and get. And I do thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Find out what to grow at 95 degrees and plant that seed. Bye-bye.